Did you know that right now Windows is using a secret ID to track everything you do on your PC just to sell your data to advertisers? It's enabled by default, but today we're starting it off for good. Go to Settings, and then Privacy and Security. Now, Recommendations and Offers. Now, you need to deactivate Personalized Offers, Recommendations and Offers in Settings, and finally the Advertising ID. But wait, there is an even worse setting hidden in the menu. Go back to the previous page and then go to Diagnostic and Feedback. Scroll down to Diagnostic Data. You will see Send Optional Diagnostic Data. This includes website you browse and how you use apps. Microsoft claims it's for diagnostic, but it's a massive hit to your privacy. Switch this off, or set it to require diagnostic data only. By turning these off, your PC is finally yours again. Which of these did you have turned on? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.